Hello everyone, so today's video will be about BookRepairOnline. So that's the first stage for the Inte team, for the integrity team, where we will fight for the right to repair. Okay, so this is a really important video. I'd like to tell you why we're doing first BookRepairOnline and we're not going straight to Inte.Team. Inte.Team is a huge business, counted for 1 million of members. And you can imagine that there is a lot involved to make such business working. Okay, so it's ultimate goal of having 1 million members. You need to manage these people properly, so you need to have a proper software, you need to have a proper team, you need to have proper security, proper legal stuff, yes, proper contracts and everything. So I've started to build up BookRepairOnline to start this with people who I'm surrounded with, like customers, neighbors, and so on, to reach the point where I will be comfortable with launching Inte.Team. Now with Inte.Team we've got about a year of part-time coding by several people and it's not yet finished. So we need this BookRepairOnline to make it happen, because I can't afford from my own pocket such big amount of coding. Yes, it's impossible for me to pay people for coding, and it's not cheap, you know, it's dear to do it right. So the people who are helping us can't do always for free, you know, it's impossible how they will, you know, pay their bills. Yes, so let's focus in this episode on BookRepairOnline. BookRepairOnline, if you don't know, yes, if you don't know, BookRepairOnline is designated for companies, for repair shops, to manage their own business. We at Ficner IT, we are using this software as well to book repairs for our customers, and we're in the process of enabling this as our let's say software to go to. Yes, because for now I'm booking by hand, so I'd rather have a system which works for me, because it's too many, you know, I've got so many customers that I'm sometimes mixing it up and so on. So I don't want to have any issues with customers, and customers don't want to have any issues with me. So if you are a customer of mine, let's say you don't want to be mixed up with some other customer, and then again you would like to have your own panel where you can log in, yes, and have your repair registered over there. So that's why, you know, as a client you deserve the proper way of booking. So you get a new repair, you can book your new repair, yes, that will redirect you, you can choose brand and so on, fill up your data, and then you can have this during repair, when it will be dragged in as a started repair when we have it, yes, when we receive it and there's time for it. You can as well make the priority, if it's the highest priority, that will be there, and so on. When it's completed, it's here, that will be receipt or invoice or whatever, yes. Then you can chat with a repair shop even. Look, you've got a made chat with repair manager. Yes, you can chat with them. Here, you know, here is hi, yes, so let's hi back. So you see, so now when you are going back, yes, you don't see a notification here, but let's go to the repair manager, and we will see that the repair manager now have the don't know if I enabled quiz, but if I did, look, it's a notification, yes. So you don't see the notification. Why? Because now you see it here, yes. So there is a notification. Now if you press this, you see that it's again dropping client, yes, because the first and last name is set up as a client. So when we click on it, yes, we see that client wrote hi. So it's a full system working for customers to communicate with a repair shop. You can attach photos if you've got a fault and you want to attach photos. There is an opportunity if repair shop needs, can do the same way. So everything is, you know, here done the right way, the proper communication on both sides. Now, being said that, there will be in about 2-3 weeks shop created. It's not yet there. There are products, you can add products, don't get me wrong, but it's not yet everything finished. So there is, you know, like still more things to do. And when we get new booking, we can, oh, that's that's the priority high, so we can click on details. Yes, can see the issues. Of course, this is a dummy data, and you can assign to me, yes, to myself, that I will be fixing it. Then there is an information, internal information, yes, as well, and set as complete. If it's in progress, you can see it that it's in undergoing work. Yes, so everything is let's say planned and worked properly. Now to finish this one off, we need funds. Yes, then this we can use in about a week or 2 weeks time now, because I'm adding e-wallet. So I'll explain you what the e-wallet is, and we will finish the recording. Yes, and that probably we need for now about 10 minutes. I'd say it's 16:33. So let's try to do it in 10 minutes. So why I need subscriptions? Yes, subscription plan. Imagine yourself, I've got 15 people working, which 5 people I need to appreciate more than the rest. Yes, the rest is okay to work for now the way they are working, and have commissions and profits when we will develop ourselves to the higher level. So we are developing apps, web applications, and we will have some funds from those web applications, like this is the Book Repair Online. Now, before those apps will give us profits, we need a lot of customers. Yes, so before we will get it, we need funding. So I can't suddenly have money. Yes, and in order that these people will keep on going coding Inte.Team and all those other apps which will give us profits, I need to have some source of income myself, not go to work and work for some other man, yes, and then don't do what I'm doing, because we fighting for the right to repair. So I need to be in here, I need to do what I'm doing, learn more, and act more. In that case, I found a solution, and I'd like to explain that. Imagine yourself that I've got 100 people who can pay 10 pounds per month. I will have 1,000. If I have 1,000 pounds, yes, every month, I know that the job which is coming in, I can manage it. Why? Because it's only 100 customers. On average, I had 600 customers in the database, and that wasn't the full time. That was about three quarters roughly of the time. Yes, so even if let's say 600 would take me a whole day to fix, then I've got evenings, where I can do other stuff. Yes, so that's okay. So now, if I will have 300 people signing up for 10 pounds per month, then that will be 3,000 for me. That I could pay some money back to those developers, yes, who would develop for us software, and then we will be more self-sustainable. And then if I would grow more to 1,000 customers, then what I could do is I could make them full-time, they could code quicker, yes, and we could start Inte.Team quicker. Then I could pay for the lawyer, which is another spendings, and so on. Yes, so that would be okay. Now, how you would say it's benefit for you to pay those 10 pounds per month? Well, first foremost is that you pay in this the way that first 100 customers, yes, first 100 customers will be calculated as 20 pounds per hour. I'm trying to keep up this price, and believe me, I count. I should charge now 30 pounds per hour. I count, and I'll tell you why. Prices of everything are going higher. Yes, everything is like, if I'm going to the customer, it's no point for me to go and charge customer, let's say 3 pounds for the delivery. Yes, I will spend 1 pound or 2 pounds on a petrol, but guess how much time I'm spending to get to the customer, the way back, communicate, and so on. So for those 3 pounds, it's just no value for me. Yes. So I need to change those ways. If I will be charging always this, and I will be doing full time this, then I won't have time to fight for the right to repair. So now the question is, would you pay 10 pounds per month by knowing that every second month you've got 1 hour of my time for the repair? You can spend it on yourself or on somebody else. Yes, and you save it up in your e-wallet. So what it is that after 12 months, if you won't use it, you will have 6 hours. You can give it as a donation to your friend, family, and so on. That's up to you. Or you can use it yourself. When I will have a let's say, a shop with used stuff, used electronics, which I'm fixing and putting into the shop, yes, you will be able to use those funds as well over there to purchase stuff from that shop. So it's a fair deal, yes. That we will be doing later at Inte.Team as well, but here is like a mini version of it, okay. So then there is a payment fee for the transaction. Stripe is charging for card payments 1.4% and 20p. And then again, my web developer, one of the developers, Chris, he said that we can do points, like a coins. We can call them Inte coin, because Inte.Team, yes, that's our brand which we will go for. Then Inte coins, and then Inte coins can have value, certain value. So if you will, let's say, refer a friend, you will have certain amount of those coins, and certain amount of coins total will equal certain amount of real money. And then if you will refer somebody, then those transaction fees won't be matter to you at all. Yes, so you bring us customers, we are happy, and then you've got cheaper price because you've got 20 pounds per hour rather than having a 30 pounds per hour. Yes, so that's first 100 customers. Then we go up to 500 customers. Yes, and 500 customers will have a 25 per hour calculated. Yes, whenever they come, they use the money from the wallet, they can top up even, yes, have it in advance. There will be terms and conditions about it, and then they are charged 25 pounds per hour. But then above 1000 customers, yes, if someone wants, I will quit it, because that will be equal, that will be 30. So I won't be taking more than 1000 customers. Or what we could do, yes, we could use some of these funds, because that 1000 for 10 pounds per month, that will equal to 10,000 pounds. And what I could do is I could do some benefits for us. So I could employ some apprentices, yes, and then get these apprentices to work as I'm working, so that we can buy them equipment, they can use this equipment, learn to fix, and we will have another branch, and another branch, and another branch, and another branch, yes. And then I will get the same way that the first 100 will have 20 pounds, the 500 up to 500 from 100 will have 25 pounds per hour, and then up to 1000 will be above 1000, yes, will be 30 pounds per hour. So that's mean above we won't take another, we can open another branch, and so on and so forth. So up to 100 customers, 20 pounds per hour, up to 500 customers, 25 pounds per hour, and up to 1000 will be, I've mixed it up something, guys, because the first 100 customers, okay, so 0 to 100, it's 20 pounds per hour. Now 100 to 500, yeah, okay, sorry, so that's irrelevant, that's what I said. So we're going for only 500 customers. If I will have 500 customers, yes, that will make me a 5,000 pounds, yes, to run the business. And then everything above is not necessary. Why it's not necessary? Because if I will have 5,000 pounds, I can do full-time repairs, that's not a problem. I can have still enough time to do the right to repair stuff. I can run my developers, yes, that's not a problem, and I can have enough time for everything. And I didn't want to go for more than 500 customers, about maybe 600, we will see how it will go. If I don't have any apprentice, or I don't have any, somebody who can do this work with me, learn and take off partially the work from me, yes, because if I can take this work designated to somebody else, then I can go for more people, yes, and I can extend maybe this one from 500 to 1000 people, let's say, yes. I could do it, but only those people who will be on the subscription will have a cheaper plan, a cheaper rate per hour. People who won't have a subscription, they will be charged after reaching those people, will be charged at 30 pounds per hour. Unfortunately, I thought I can keep it, but that's the only way I can keep it. And if you want to pay cheaper for the repairs, that's the way to go. Now when Inte.Team will be launched, this will be the same way, only we will designate, yes, designate £1 per month from 500 people onward, yes, we will designate £1 per month to right to repair, yes, so that's what we will do. But I will explain that in the next episode because 10 minutes have passed away. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please tell me if you like what you see. If you don't, I can't help it probably, or please explain at least what you don't like, because that would be appreciated. But it would be really nice to hear what you think about what I just showed. Would you like to have cheaper repairs or not? Yes, and do you like this idea? Thank you. Bye bye.